Hello students, today we are going to write in geometry fair. So for geometry fair you have to prepare like this book, one side blank and one side ruled. So open now index page. So fill your details, that is name, standard, division, roll number, subject, and in index you have to write in serial number 1, write today's date, and in title write lesson number 13 geometry. Now start from the new page. So here write today's date and give heading lesson number 13 geometry. So we will first start from the define. So that is number 1, line segment. So what is the definition of line segment? The straight path from A to B is called the line segment. This is denoted by line segment AB. So for this we have to draw the figure also, a straight path from A to B. So A to B, this is the straight path. So this is known as the line segment. Okay, so in this page, blank page, you have to draw the figures. Now number 2, line. A line is an endless straight path that extends in both directions. A line has no endpoints. This is denoted by line AB. So for line we will draw the figure here. Now number 3, ray. A ray is a straight path having one endpoint and extending in one direction only. The end point of ray is called initial point. This is denoted by ray AB. So ray is a straight path. At one side only it will have the end point and other side it will extend. So this end point is known as the initial point. So here we will draw the figure of ray. Now number 4, open shapes. The shapes which do not begin and end at same point are called open shapes. So here we have to draw the figures for open shapes, means the shapes which do not begin at the same point and not end at the same point. So this is the open shape. So we have to draw figures like this. Now next, number 5, closed shape. The shapes which begin and end at same point is called closed shapes. So here we have to draw the closed shapes figure like this. Now we will start exercise 13.1. Question number 1, name the line segment in the following figures. So here figures are given. So we have to name them, their line segment. So number 1, so from this figure we have to find out the line segment. Line segment means a straight path having two endpoints. So it is a straight path having two endpoints, that is A and B. So the first line segment is AB. Then second, this is also a straight path having two endpoints B and C. So here we will write BC. Then third one is, this is a straight path having two endpoints A and C. So here we will write AC. Now number 2 figure. So first we will see the straight path. This is one is the straight path. So having the endpoint, that is D and G. So here we will write line segment DG. Then down GF. GF. Then FE. FE. Then last one, that is ED. So these are the line segment. Now number 3. So first we will take this one straight path having the end point, that is P and Q. So we will write line segment PQ, comma. Then we will take QR. Then RS. Then this side SP. SP. Then at between also, middle also we will take PQ. This is also the straight path, right? So this also having the end point, that is P and R. So line segment PR. Then this side Q and S. Q and S. At between also we can see P and E. This is also the straight path, right? So here also the end point P and E. PE. Then here ER. ER. Then this side QE and ES. So this many line segments are there in figure number 3. Now figure number 4. So first we will take line segment, that is straight path having two endpoints, that is first is VU. So first we will write VU, then UZ, then ZY, then YX, then XW, then last one is WV. Now next question number 2. How many line segment can you draw through a given point? So if one point is given, so how many line segment we can draw? That we can draw many line segment, right? So we can write here infinite. What we will write? Infinite line segment. Now number 3. How many line segments can you draw passing through 2 points? If 2 points are there, so how many line segments we can draw? We can draw only 1. So here we will write 1. Now question number 4. Measure the following line segment. So here in this side line segments are given, right? We have to measure them with help of scale and we have to write their measurement here. So number 1 is line segment AB equal to dash centimeter. So with help of scale we will measure. So we will start from in scale 0 centimeter is written here. So we have to start from 0. So we will put this 0 point at A. So and we have to find out till point B. So how much is the centimeter from 0? It is coming 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. So we will write here 4 centimeter. Okay. Now number 2 we have to find the line segment of CD. So number 2 CD. So we will put 0 point at C and we will see till point D. So what is the centimeter? That is 3 centimeter. So we will write here 3. Now number 3 we have to find the line segment of GH. So we will put 0 point at G and till H we will find out. So how much is the centimeter? What is the length of the line segment? That is 5. Right? You can see from 0 to 5 it is coming. So we will write here 5 centimeter. Number 4 line segment PQ. So we will put the point 0 at point P until we will find out Q. So what is the length of the line segment? You can see 6 centimeter is there, right? So we will write here line segment PQ equal to 6 centimeter. Now we will see question number 5. Draw the line segment of the following measurement. So here all measurement is given. So we have to draw the line segment with help of the scale. So number 1 is 6 centimeter. So okay. So in blank page we will draw. So first we will give number 1. So how we will draw the line segment? We have to start from the 0. Okay, not from 1. So at 0 we will put 1 point. Okay, and what is the centimeter? That is 6 centimeter we have to draw. So at 6 also we will put other point and we will give the name A, B and we have to join it. So this is the line segment of having measurement 6 centimeter. Now number 2, that is 7.2 centimeter. So here we will do number 2, 7.2 centimeter. So we will start from 0. We will put a point here at 0 and 7.2. So 7, all of you knowing means 7 means till 7 we have to do. Now 7.2 means after 7 the small lines are there, right? That we have to count 1, 2. So here we will put a point. Then we will join now these 2 points. We will give name C, D and this is of 7.2 centimeter. Now number 3 is of 5.2 centimeter. So here we will give number 3. So again we will start from 0. So from 0 we will put 1 point and 5.2. So till 5 it is a 5. So after 5 we will take 2 small lines. So here we will put a point. We will join. Any name we can give E, F. So this is the measurement of 5.2 centimeter. Now number 4 is 4.7 centimeter. So number 4, 4.7. So from 0 to we will take, from 0 we will put 1 point, and 4.7 means, so this much is the 4. Now we will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So here middle big line is coming, that is the 5, then 6, 7. So here we will put the dot. Now we will join and we will give the name x, y. So this is of 4.7 centimeter. Now number 5 is 8.2 centimeter. So we will start from 0. So in 0 we will put 1 point and 8.2. So till 8 we will take, and after we will count 2 small lines, that 1, 2. And we will join this point and we will give name as P. So this is of 8.2 centimeter. Now number 6, 4.9 centimeter. So same way we will start from 0. In 0 we will put 1 dot and 4.9. So this much is the 4. After this we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This big one is the 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we will keep 9 for dot and we will join. So this is, we will give name x, y, and this is of 4.9 centimeter. Now number 7, 10.2 centimeter. So in number 7 we will write 10.2. So we will start from 0. So from 0 we will put 1 dot and 10.2. So till here 10. After that we will take 2 small lines. Now we will join these 2. We will give name UV. So it is of 10.2 centimeter. Now number 8, 11.3 centimeter. So from 0 we will take 1 point, we will keep at 0, and 11 till 11, and after that we have to take 3 small lines, that is 1, 2, 3. We have to join y, z, 11.3 centimeter. Now number 12, 12 centimeter. So number 9 is 12 centimeter. So from 0 to 12 we will take. So at 0 we will put 1 dot and up to 12. We can give name CD, 12 centimeter. Now question number 6. Measure the length of the sides of the following and see if opposite sides are equal in length. So here 2 figures are given. We have to measure their opposite sides and we have to find out that they are equal in length or not. Okay, so the first one we will measure the opposite side. First side, that is, this is of 7 centimeter, and this opposite will come this side, right? And this is also of 7 centimeter. So both are same in length. Same way this side we will measure, that is from 0 to 4. This is of 4 centimeter, and same way this also 0 to 4 centimeter. So this side also they are same. So here we will write in answer number 1, yes, opposite sides are equal in length. In number 2 figure, square is given. This also we will measure. Here 4 centimeter, from 0 we have to start, 0 to here coming 4, right? And same way this opposite will come this one. So here also 4 centimeter. So this both sides are equal. Same way this side we will measure 0 to 4, and here also 0 to 4. So here also opposite sides are equal. So here we will write in answer number 2, yes, opposite sides are equal in length. Thank you.